The story often begins the same way: a young child, white belt tied, eyes wide with excitement and fear. It's a familiar image, one that's been told and retold in countless dojos and stories around the world. We watch them grow, movement sharpening, confidence building. Their journey seems almost magical, as if greatness is reserved for those who start early. This image is powerful, but it's also misleading. It creates an expectation that only the young can truly excel. The myth, to be great you must start young, lingers in the minds of many. This idea stops many from ever stepping onto the mat. It whispers that if you didn't begin as a child, you're already too late. But it's just that, a myth. The truth is, the mat welcomes everyone no matter when they arrive. The dojo isn't reserved for the young or naturally athletic. It's for everyone, regardless of age, background, or experience. I've seen a grandfather and his teenage grandson start together, both learning the basics, both discovering new strengths. I've seen a mother of 3 discover her strength in a discipline she never thought was for her, surprising even herself with what she could achieve. Their journeys didn't begin with perfect timing, but they were no less inspiring. In fact, their courage to begin later made their stories even more remarkable. Martial arts is not a single straight road. It's a winding path, unique for each person who walks it. Each person arrives with their own history and reasons. Some seek strength, others confidence, some simply curiosity. There's no best time to start, just like there's no perfect age to read a book or enjoy music. The journey is always waiting. The most important step is the one you take today. Every journey begins with a single brave decision. We must challenge the old idea that greatness requires a perfect start. True greatness is built on persistence, not perfection. The real story is written every day by people of all ages, shapes, and sizes. Each chapter is unique, each effort meaningful. Is a story of courage and perseverance, not youth or perfection. The heart to continue matters more than when you begin. The dojo doors are open to anyone with the heart to try. Every welcome is genuine, every effort respected. The perfect time to start is whenever you decide you're ready. Your journey begins the moment you choose to take that first step. Am I too old to start? I hear this question all the time, filled with doubt and hesitation. The answer is simple: no. You are never too old to begin a new journey. Martial arts is more welcoming and adaptable than most people realize. The journey isn't a race against time. It's a personal exploration, and it can start at any age. The dojo is a laboratory for self-improvement, not just a sports arena. It's a place where you can grow. Training adapts to your stage of life. Stress relief for adults, balance for seniors, and much more. A good instructor tailors training to your needs, not your age, ensuring you get the most out of every session. The fear of being the oldest in class is common, but you'll find respect and inspiration from your peers. Many schools offer adult classes, so everyone starts together, creating a supportive environment. Age becomes irrelevant. All that matters is the white belt you wear and the dedication you bring. Martial arts improves flexibility, strength, and mental resilience at your own pace, making you stronger inside and out. The focus required is like meditation, clearing away daily stress and bringing peace of mind. Let go of the idea you've missed your chance. The dojo door is always open, ready to welcome you. Your age is part of your unique story on the mat, adding richness to your journey. Martial arts for toddlers isn't about fighting. It's about fun, discipline, and coordination. Classes like Little Dragons are built around games and simple activities. Kids learn to listen, balance, and follow directions, all disguised as play. Safety is a top priority. No contact sparring, padded floors, and trained instructors. The goal is confidence, not combat. These lessons teach body control and respect, leading to fewer playground accidents. Children develop motor skills, balance, and perseverance. They learn respect and the value of trying again. A good program is about growth, learning, and fun. Elementary and middle school years are crucial for growth. Martial arts offers a blend of individual achievement and community belonging. Kids learn self-reliance, responsibility, and that progress comes from effort. Training builds coordination, strength, and confidence. Skills that transfer to school and other activities. Discipline and respect learned in the dojo improve classroom behavior. The dojo is a safe space for social growth and learning to handle success and failure. Martial arts teaches kids to stand up for themselves with confidence, not aggression. The quiet confidence gained makes them less likely targets for bullies. The teenage years are turbulent. Martial arts can be an anchor. It offers a constructive outlet, a supportive community, and a place to build real confidence. Physical training helps manage stress, improves health, and builds a positive body image. Learning techniques teaches focus, goal setting, and perseverance. Skills vital for academics and life. Achieving new belts shows teens they can overcome challenges through effort. The dojo is a community where respect matters more than popularity. Teens learn to value character, effort, and helping others. This sense of belonging can be a lifeline during tough years. Many adults regret not starting martial arts sooner, worrying that they've missed their chance or that it's simply too late to begin something new. But starting as an adult isn't about chasing lost youth. It's about embracing growth, self-discovery, and building new strengths at any age. The hardest part is often just walking into the dojo for the very first time, facing your nerves and doubts head on. Look for a welcoming school that offers beginner classes designed specifically for adults, where you'll feel supported from day one. A good instructor will listen to your goals, understand your concerns, and adapt training to fit your unique needs and abilities. Training regularly improves flexibility, strength, and energy, helping to counteract the effects of a sedentary lifestyle and making daily life feel easier. Mentally, martial arts becomes a form of active meditation, clearing your mind, sharpening your focus, and reducing stress after a long day. The dojo is a unique community. People from all walks of life come together, supporting and encouraging each other's progress. You'll sweat, struggle, and celebrate together, forming strong bonds and friendships that extend beyond the mats. The person holding the pad isn't just a training partner. They're your teammate in growth, helping you push past your limits. Overcoming the fear to start is the first and most important test you'll face. Taking that step opens the door to a richer, healthier, and more connected life. One filled with confidence, resilience, and new possibilities. Martial arts is incredibly adaptable. It grows with you. Young competitors focus on speed, older practitioners on precision and flow. Styles like Tai Chi offer gentle, low-impact movement for seniors. Training improves balance, flexibility, and mental sharpness at any age. The social aspect combats loneliness and builds community, injuries or disabilities. Good instructors modify training to fit your needs. The practice becomes about working with your body, not against it. Focus on what you can do, not your limitations. Martial arts is a lifelong journey of learning and self-discovery. The black belt is just the beginning of deeper understanding. True mastery is about wisdom, not just physical prowess. Most start martial arts for fitness or self-defense, but the deepest lessons are internal. The first lesson is respect, woven into every bow and interaction. Respect extends beyond the dojo, shaping how you treat others. The second lesson is perseverance. Progress is earned through effort and patience. Struggles and setbacks are part of the process. Resilience is built in these moments. Finally, martial arts teaches true confidence, a quiet self-assurance from overcoming challenges. This confidence changes how you walk, speak, and interact with the world. It's the ultimate self-defense, protecting body and spirit. The dojo forges character and resilience. You learn humility, gratitude, and the value of hard work. These lessons last a lifetime, far beyond the mat. Martial arts is about becoming a stronger, better version of yourself. The real transformation happens within. And we've seen martial arts benefit every age, from toddlers to seniors. There's no perfect age to start. The right time is now. The barriers we imagine, age, fitness, time, are just that, imagined. You won't be judged for where you start, but welcomed for your courage. The dojo community is built on shared effort, not talent. Every small victory is a source of pride. The real question isn't, when should I start, but am I willing to learn? If you have the will, you have everything you need. Don't let another day pass. Take the first step. The only requirement is the will to begin. Thank you for viewing. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. I will see you at the next video on your screen.